Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Harbor Freight email. It says friends and family, 4 days only, Thursday, July 18 through Sunday, July 21st. So yeah, basically only 3 days from Friday. So happy Friday, everybody. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more 2 reviews, 2 deals. Alright, yeah, we do have a 25% off coupon. So you guys know I do have a coupon video. I just rolled it out, was it Thursday? Yesterday or the day before? And yeah, it was yesterday. And I found this coupon earlier on a social media site. So I posted it up for you guys so you guys would get to see this coupon before. But yeah, we got this coupon today. It says friends and family, 4 days only, valid through July 18 through Sunday, July 21st, 2019. So yeah, if you guys want to watch, if you guys don't know what to get with this coupon, I do have a 25% off coupon, or 5 items you could get with 25% off coupons. I have a few videos, so I'll see if I can link them up above here. If not, then just put 5 items to get with the 25% off coupon, or 5 items 25% off, and then 2 ahead 147, and all my videos will pop up. Anyways, so that is the all you need is the coupon code here. You can take a screenshot of this coupon or a picture on the computer, and all you need is the code to read it to the cashier. It says super coupons, 12,000 pound SUV winch, $299.99. 20 volt lithium cordless extreme torque impact wrench kits, or kit. I don't know why they put kits. $239.99. And then we got some ratcheting tie downs, $699. I still have mine. You know, they're okay. They're not the best quality, but they'll work and they'll last you. I wouldn't trust them with the heavy load on this though. Especially something that's gonna fall out of the truck. You know, if it's maybe instead of doing 1 there, you know, do 2. You know, if you're gonna do 2, do 4. Just keep it safe. 40 by 18, 1,000 pound dolly, $11.99. 30-inch 4-drawer tech cart, $149.99. 2-ton capacity folded shop crane, $189.99. You got the 2, 10, and 50 amp 12 volt battery charger engine starter, $29.99. I was just looking at this, so I need to get a battery charger maintainer, or what is it, the one that's brings the batteries back to life. So I don't know if this does this or not. I was just looking into that. I know the other one does that. I don't know about this one. 5mm powder free nitro gloves pack of 100, $5.99. I did the review on this. It worked pretty good. I was stabbing myself with the screwdriver. You guys want to see the video, just look at 5mm powder free, 2 ahead 147 at the search in YouTube. Got the 3-in-1 electric blower vacuum mulcher, $39.99. I have this, works great. 3 except you're dragging pretty much an extension cord out everywhere. 2-gallon, 1.2 horsepower, 135 psi, ultra quiet. The Den of Tools, he did a few videos on these. I would recommend you guys go to his channel. So it's the Den of Tools, and then just look that up. It's a bear, so you guys would see his videos on these. It's $169. These are great compressors, by the way. 3 piece Master Mechanics Toolkit, $169. Not really a fan of these. I like to choose my own tools. I like to choose my own brands. But you know, for somebody that just needs a quick grab and go type of thing, $169.99 will get you there. 7 by 9 feet, $299. Tarp. 10-inch sliding compact miter saw. I do have this. I got it on a parking lot sale, open box item. I got it real cheap. I got it for like $50 or something like that. But anyway, still works good. I might sell it and upgrade to either the 12-inch or the Admiral. Yeah, I'm thinking of getting the Admiral. So you got the 1/2 inch compact drill driver kit, $59.99. Oversized low profile creeper, $19.99. 2-piece titanium high speed step bits, $13.99. You got the OBD2 code reader with ABS SRS fixed assistant, $169.99. 2.5 horsepower industrial. You know what? My cousins use this. He has this. He does tile, and he says it works fine. You know, it's a basic saw, and it works. So if you guys need a cheap saw, there you go, $229. 4-gallon backpack sprayer, $19.99. Not the best. If you're a DIY, you know, this will work for you. 4x36 belts and 6-inch disc sander, $64.99. 11-inch cable ties, pack of 100, $199. You get the click type torque wrench, $11.99. I believe we had in the parking lot sale. We're gonna get this cheaper for August parking lot sale. 3/8 by 14 feet towing chain, under $20. 10-inch pneumatic tire with the white hub, $3.99. 50 feet electric ring cleaner, $1.99. I do have not this one, the smaller one. The one that looks like a drill with the gun. It's the Bauer drain cleaner, the red one. Works real good. 10-inch pole saw, $144.99. 3/4 50 feet head commercial duty. I gotta try this out. $16.99 for that. 4 feet 12 outlet metal power strip, $17.99. Wireless security alert system, under $10. That's great for the driveways and stuff like that. Be alerted at all times. 6-inch bimetal reciprocating saw. These blades, guys, this is not gonna last forever. You know, for the DIY home use, it'll be fine. But if you're going to be cutting metal, like thick metal and stuff like that, these are not going to last that long. So, SAE metric Torx folding hex key set, pack of 3, $4.99. This is a little flimsy Harbor Freight. If you're listening, these come apart. I did buy some other ones that look like this, and they are starting to get loose from these. So, I don't know. Shop towels, pack of 50, $9.99. Loading ramp set of 2, $39.99. You got the 1,500-pound ATV motorcycle lift, $69.99. You got the 5-gallon wet and dry vacuum, $39.99. 12-piece cushion grip. These are just throw around, you know, have it on the truck. Loan tool type of. Not really the best quality. I would definitely go with Quinn or Pittsburgh Pro. But overall, I would go with Quinn. That's the best one. 3/4 50-60 feet industrial grade electrical tape. Pack of 10, $4.99. You get the 1,000-pound capacity trailer jack, $18.99. This is great, guys. I do have it. It sits out in the sun. It's already a year old. Spring skin is getting a little old here, so it doesn't have a lot of spring, but it's been used for a long time. $3.99, and then you got the 6-ton heavy duty jack stands, $34.99. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.